Hi, this is Darrell from Honeydew Men coming at you live with your next educational video. Today we're going to talk about a leak that the customer's had for 4 years. Let's dive into it. First of all, I'm going to show you what's been going on. We have a multiple transitional roof here. We got a lower pitched roof, we got a flat roof, I got another flat roof. It all ties together. And the water's been coming in inside the house right here. So he's got water coming in here and here. So you can see obviously people have been here, they've tarred it, they put flashing. I want to show you the flashing. You can see it's not one piece, you can see it's step flashing. So first of all, it's the wrong metal work, so that was just atrocious. Then somebody decided to leave that and tar on top of it, which is even worse. We got a flat roof here with the flat copper, which looks really good, except that, it's all coming apart. And you can see that they've already tarred the joints. And obviously that didn't work. But here's the real problem, right? The water's coming down this roof here, it's coming in here, boom, boom, boom. I'm now kneeling in water, yay. We got the hole right there. So you can see the water's coming in right there. So not really that big of that hard or difficult to figure out, but I guess if you don't know the right guy to call, that's why you're in a situation 4 years and now you know who the right guy is to call. So Honeydew Men, Darrell Babboni, thanks for tuning in.